This video is a short introduction on how to use the programs of your LANCY Men. For program 1, use the loop electrode connected to the red end of the connection cable and attach it behind the gland as shown. Next, use a 5x5 cm adhesive electrode and attach it directly above the penis shaft. Program 1 has a moderate frequency and is used to stimulate and train the muscle cells surrounding the cavernous bodies. It counteracts fibrosis of the muscle and vascular tissue, which often results from vessel constrictions. Ideally, you should do this program for 10 minutes on a daily basis. For program 2, use 2 of the 1.5 by 7.5 cm adhesive electrodes and attach them on the right and on the left side along the penis. In case they do not adhere well, you can use a rubber band to secure the electrode's position. Program 2 has a low frequency and is used to improve the blood supply of muscle cells in the cavernous bodies. Thereby, it gets easier for the muscle cells to relax, which is necessary for the penis to fill with blood. Ideally, you should do this program for 10 minutes on a daily basis. For program 3, use 2 5x5 cm adhesive electrodes. Attach the first one directly above the penis shaft. Attach the second one on the perineum as shown in the picture of your manual. Program 3 has a frequency typical for enhancing muscle formation. It's used to train the pelvic floor, which plays a crucial role in maintaining an erection. Ideally, you should do this program for 20 minutes on a daily basis, or at least twice a week. Always choose an intensity of current that feels comfortable. Please note that the LANCY Man does not lead to an immediate erection. The LANCY Man is a medical device and trains the erectile function on a long term. For more information, check the manual or additional information provided in the case of your LANCY Man.